Understanding, clear as a whistle, unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard before: clear as a whistle. This expression is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. The phrase, clear as a whistle, is used to describe something that is extremely clear, either in terms of sound or appearance. It's a simile that compares the clarity of an object or concept to the pure, penetrating sound of a whistle. This expression can be applied in various contexts, such as describing the clarity of someone's voice, the transparency of water, or even the straightforwardness of an explanation. Although the exact origins of clear as a whistle are not definitively known, it's believed to have emerged from the fact that a whistle produces a sharp, distinct sound that can be clearly heard over distances. This characteristic makes the whistle sound a metaphor for anything that stands out with unmistakable clarity. To help you understand how to use clear as a whistle in your conversations, let's look at some examples. After the rain, the air was clear as a whistle. You could see miles into the distance. She explained the concept so well, it was clear as a whistle to everyone in the room. His voice rang out clear as a whistle in the quiet night. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe clarity in different senses: visual, auditory, and intellectual. It's interesting to note that clear as a whistle can have variations depending on the context or regional usage. Some people might say clean as a whistle to emphasize purity or cleanliness, which can be used in similar contexts but might have a slight emphasis on the absence of impurities or complications. We hope this exploration of the phrase, clear as a whistle, has made its meaning and usage crystal clear to you. English is full of such vivid expressions that can add color to our conversations and help us communicate more effectively. Remember, understanding these phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your appreciation for the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.